in this part of video electrical machine design, which I am going to explain. In this part, first I will revise the output equation of single phase transformer that I have discussed it in my video number 4. The output equation of single phase transformer that I want to revise here, because this relation is also somehow linked with the 3-phase transformer. So this was the output relation 4.44, frequency phi m kW, window factor, area of the window, delta was the current density divided by 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. And after solving this equation was coming, Bm was this. So final equation was 2.22 F Bm Ai kW Aw delta multiplied by 10 to the power. This already has been explained in my video number 4. Link I will give you here. The link I will also provide. So this equation, also some questions nowadays or early also, some question also asked in GATE examination I had seen, and later on I will explain it also. Transformer, the simplified cross section of a core type 3-phase transformer is shown in figure below that I will show you. The cross section has 3 limbs and 2 windows. Each limb carries the low voltage and high voltage winding of the transformer. This is the transformer diagram. So you see here in this diagram what I am getting is here 3 limbs. This is one limb, this is another limb, and this is third limb. So half and these are the core of the transformer, and every limb has high voltage winding and low voltage winding. Here high voltage winding, low voltage winding, high voltage winding, low voltage winding. This is core type of a transformer. So how many window? If you think there will be 2 window. This is one window and this is another window. In single phase transformer there was only one window, but here it is 2 window. So this is window width and this is height of the window, and so window area will be width multiplied by height. This is another window area. So this there is 2 window area in case of the area number 1 and area number window area 2. So 2 area in the 3-phase transformer is there. So EMF per turn, what we have already seen this equation, EMF per turn, the induced EMF per turn. This is induced EMF 4.44 phi m frequency multiplied by the turn, and ET becomes just divided by this turn, so it will be 4.44 frequency multiplied by the phi m. This is the EMF induced per turn. For 3-phase winding, for 3-phase transformer, here we can see for 3-phase transformers, each window has 2 primary and 2 secondary winding. The window space factor is ratio of the conductor area in window to the total area. That I already explained and defined in my previous video. Link has also been shared. So conductor area in a window divided by total area of the window, this is called window factor. So this is window factor is given here. So now conductor area in window, the AC will be this kW multiplied by AW total area of the window. So same way whatever I have defined early in case of the single phase transformer, same thing is also explained here, and same thing is defined here also. Like current density in primary is IP by area of the primary, and which is also equal to the secondary current by area of the secondary. IP is primary current per phase, IS is secondary current per phase, area of cross section of the primary conductor, this is. So from here we can find IP by delta, and area of cross section of secondary winding also we can find from here AS equal to IS by delta S. So this relation also gives us some like this. If we neglect magnetizing MMF, then primary MMF is equal to the secondary MMF. Primary MMF is number of primary current multiplied by primary turn, and which is equal to the secondary current multiplied by secondary current. So total copper area in the window will be 2 into number of primary turns multiplied by area of the cross section plus 2 into number of secondary turn into the multiplied by 2 is here because here 2 window is there, so 2 term is coming here. So it is written 2 into TP multiplied by AP. 2, this is also multiplied here like this. So this is 2 multiplied by TP into AP, primary turn into area of cross section of the primary, same to TS secondary turn multiplied by area of cross section of the secondary. So this area is now replaced by IP by delta, and again AS is also replaced by AS IS divided by delta. So this relation already given. So after manipulation, TPIP is ampere turn, A4 multiplied by FT divided by delta will come. So this is the total copper area in a window, total copper area. So AC is coming, this AC equal to 4 multiplied by AT. AT is the ampere turn and divided by delta. So using this relation, what we get finally is that on equating both the side, we get this is called 4AT divided by delta, and this was AC copper area of the copper conductor. So this ampere turn from here, this is the ampere turn will be equal to this delta will come here, and kW AW multiplied by delta and divided by 4 will be there. So the KVA rating of 3-phase transformer is given by 3 multiplied by volt ampere per phase into 10 to the power minus 3. So 3 multiplied by Vp multiplied by Ip into 10 to the power minus 3. So this relation Vp is also nearly equal to Ep, and this Ip is the primary current. So here 3 multiplied by Ep divided by Tp and then multiplied by Tp. This Tp divided and multiplied here, multiplied by this. Ip is okay. So now, and this Ep by Tp is called Et, means induced EMF per term. So this term is replaced by Et, and this is called Tp multiplied by Ip is called ampere turn. So this relation Q looks like this. It is coming like this: 3 multiplied by Et into ampere turn into 10 to the power minus 3. So now rearranging these equations, again we will get some, on substituting the values of E and ampere turn from the equations, we get KVA rating. So 3 here, what we are doing here, the value of Et is this much, so it is put here, and AC ampere turn already calculated this much. So this value 3 multiplied by Et into ampere turn. So ampere turn is, which already calculated, is equal to this much multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 also, and Et this much. So after rearranging this term, 3.33 F this frequency, this is maximum flux, and this is KW window factor, AW area of the window, and delta equal to current density multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. So this relation using Vm equal to phi m by AI. So 3.33 Fm Vm. This final relation, our Q for 3-phase transformer, is coming like this. So this is three-phase transformer output design of transformer.